In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a header on Squarespace. Designing a great header is essential because it's the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. A well-crafted header can set the tone for your entire website, making it both welcoming and functional. So let's dive right in and get started on creating that perfect header for your Squarespace site. First, you'll want to hover over the top section of your page where the header goes. You should see an option pop up that says Edit Site Header. Go ahead and click on that. This is your entry point to customizing the appearance and functionality of your header. Think of it as your header control panel. Next, you'll want to focus on your logo. Click on the site title or the placeholder text you see there. This is where you can upload your logo image. If you don't have a logo yet, you might want to create one that represents your brand or the theme of your website. Having a logo isn't just for aesthetics, it helps with brand recognition as well. If your logo tends to look overwhelming on smaller screens, you can set a separate, smaller version specifically for mobile devices. This ensures that your logo looks its best, no matter what device your visitors are using. Now, let's talk about the navigation menu. This is where visitors will find links to the various pages on your site, like your About page, Contact page, or blog. What's great about Squarespace is that your pages will appear in the navigation menu automatically. But don't worry, you're not stuck with the order Squarespace decides. You can rearrange them by dragging them within the Pages panel. It's a simple way to prioritize certain content or create a logical flow that makes sense for your visitors. Moving on to interactive elements, which can really bring your header to life. You have the option to toggle on buttons for calls to action. These are crucial if you want to guide your visitors to take specific actions, like signing up for a newsletter or checking out your latest products. You can also add social links to make it easier for your audience to connect with you on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. If you're running an online store, adding a shopping cart to your header is a smart move. It makes the shopping experience more seamless for your customers, encouraging them to make purchases with minimal clicks. And there you have it. With these steps, you've created a functional and visually appealing header on Squarespace. Remember, your header is more than just a title. It's a gateway to your content, an opportunity to brand your site, and a tool to engage your visitors. So take the time to make it something special. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you now feel confident in customizing your Squarespace header. Thanks for watching and happy designing.